We'll guide you through how to set up Printful Embroidery for your online store. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printful website and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to connect your store if you haven't done so already. Head over to the Stores tab on the left side of the dashboard and click on Add Store. Follow the prompts to choose your e-commerce platform, like Shopify or Etsy, and authorize the connection. After your store is connected, go to the Templates section under the Product Templates tab. Here, you can create a new embroidery design template. Click on Create More and choose Embroidery from the list of options. You'll see a wide range of products you can customize, from hats to jackets. Select the product you want to work with, then upload your design file. Printful supports PNG files with a transparent background for embroidery. Make sure your design fits within the specified embroidery area to avoid any issues. You can resize or reposition your design using the on-screen tools. After adjusting your design, click Proceed to Mockups to choose how your product will be displayed in your store. Here, you can select different mockup styles and backgrounds to showcase your product effectively. Once you're satisfied with the mockups, click Proceed to Details to add product descriptions, names, and other details that will appear in your store. Finally, click Save Product to add it to your store. Your embroidered product is now ready to be published and sold. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.